So the formula for the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Therefore, the area is 3x plus 5 times 7x minus 1. If we multiply this out, we'll get our answer as a polynomial in standard form. But this actually counts as the correct answer. The answer key, though, probably multiply these two binomials out, in which case we would have had the following. So first times first, outside times outside, inside times inside, and last times last. Or in other words, first times first, outside times outside, inside times inside, and last times last. Combining like terms, we have that the area is 21x squared plus 32x minus 5.